Hi everyone, you're welcome to Biochemistry Basics here. So today we are going to be looking at nucleic acids. So what exactly are nucleic acids? Nucleic acids, they are complex biomolecules. They are larger biomolecules that are essential for living cells and viruses. Now there are two forms of these nucleic acids. We have DNA and we have RNA. So what exactly is DNA? DNA is a double-stranded molecule, meaning that it is a molecule that is made up of two strands that are coiled around each other, and these two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds. And this DNA is used to store the genetic information of an organism. The reason why you look different from me and I look different from the other person is because we have different genetic constitutions. And this DNA is found inside the nucleus of a cell. While RNA on the other side is a single-stranded molecule that carries the information that is to be used for the synthesis of proteins. And we have three types of RNA. We have the transfer RNA, which is written as tRNA. We have messenger RNA, which is written as mRNA. And we have rRNA, which is ribosomal RNA. So all these forms of RNA, they are involved in protein synthesis. And this RNA is found outside the nucleus of a cell. And this DNA and RNA, they are all polymers, meaning that they have their own monomeric building units, which are referred to as nucleotides. So a nucleotide is a monomeric building unit for DNA and RNA. And a nucleotide is made up of a nitrogenous a phosphate group. Like for instance, in this case here, I have my sugar here, I have my nitrogenous base here, and I have a phosphate group here. So we number the carbon atoms of the sugars as 1', 2', 3', 4', and 5'. So we add prime here to distinguish the numbers from that of the nitrogenous base. Now, the only difference between the nucleotides that are found in DNA from that in RNA is at the level of this carbon number 2 of the sugar. So in DNA at position number 2, we do not have an OH. Instead of an OH at this position number 2, we have but a hydrogen. Are we together? And in that case, we call this a deoxyribonucleotide. So this is deoxyribonucleotides. So those are the kind of nucleotides that are found in DNA. While in this other side here, if you look at this other nucleotide here, you will see that it's almost the same like this one here. But now at this position number 2, instead of having hydrogen like in this case here, I have an OH group. So in this case here, we call it a ribonucleotide. So in RNA, we use ribonucleotides, while in DNA, we use deoxyribonucleotides. Now, when we have many of these deoxyribonucleotides, we call it a DNA. And when we have many of these ribonucleotides, we call it an RNA. Now, two nucleotides together by a phosphodiester bond. So a phosphodiester bond is a kind of